Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Dede Arvena Nugroho. I'm studied at the State University of Jakarta, majoring in Accounting Education, Faculty of Economy. Well, in this video, I would like to present about my internship program report in the Saving and Loan Business Unit at the Central Financial and Development Supervisor Agency, or BPKP Employee Cooperative. In this video, the purpose of the internship there are first, providing opportunity to students to know the world of work, and second, opening practical knowledge about the world of work. Third, implementing knowledge in accordance with the concentration during lecture with the world of work, and then provide opportunity for students to adapt to the atmosphere of the world of work. On this slide, I want to present about the benefit of internship there are for practitioner. First, as a means to solve a problem that occurs during the implementation of work practice in the work environment. Second, as a means to improve students' skill to implement the theory that has been learned later with the real world of work. Third, as a means to train students to become professional graduates when they are in the world of work. For Faculty of Economy, first, increase good cooperation between the Faculty of Economy, State University of Jakarta with government and private against see where students are placed. Second, get feedback to perfect the curriculum to suit the needs of the company so that Faculty of Economy can produce graduates who are competent in the world of work. Third, knowing the important role of teacher in providing lecture material for students in accordance with development in the world of work. For cooperative, first, company can be helped in completing work according to the specific target time, and establishing good relationship between against and higher education institution so as to foster mutually beneficial cooperative. From this slide, I want to show us about the internship stake. There are first observation. At the stake, the practitioner makes observation in July 2020, where the practitioner is looking for information about companies that accept the internship student program. Second, preparation step was on July 2020. I prepared all of the requirement to apply internship program and I request to BPKP Cooperative. Third, implementation stake start on 3rd August until 11 September 2020. And then reporting, I will start my internship program report on September until November 2020. This slide show us about the company profile, such as the company name is BPKP Cooperative, address at the Jalan Pramuka Raya number 33 Utankayu Utara, Matraman, Jakarta Timur, and the placement in a saving and loan unit, and the telephone number 021-859-10031. After we know that about general company profile, there was the reason about history of BPKP Cooperative was established on 14 February 1985 and has been legalized as a legal entity with the approval of the head of the regional office of the DKI Jakarta Cooperative Department number 238/BLP/8/1988 on 20 July 1988 and has been registered in the General Register on 29 July 1988 with number 2273/BH/1. The beginning of the formation of the BPKP Cooperative was for store service and saving and loans. The launched to members since the beginning of 2010. The establishment of the BPKP Cooperative refers to the presidential decree during the New Order government, which at that time required every department whose employees were high and honorary member of the cooperative to become a member of the cooperative. Basically have the same principle in terms of membership, namely voluntary and open. In meaning to become a member of a cooperative, there is never such a thing coercion, and everyone who has met the requirement to become a member will be immediately accepted as a member of the cooperative. As of 31 December 2018, the number of members of the BPKP Cooperative is 2,429 people. Every company must have vision and mission for their company. This slide informs us about vision that BPKP Cooperative have. First, the relation of members' welfare in order to meet the consumption required by members according to the scope of business mandated by the Cooperative Law number 25 of 1992 and the ADR of the BPKP Cooperative, and the mission is first, developing the BPKP Cooperative as a competitive sharing and loan financial institution by optimizing the best service for members. Second, developing the BPKP Cooperative a competitive retail trade institution in the context of exciting to market to meet the basic needs of member by optimizing the convenience and best service for member. Third, empowering BPKP Cooperative as a representative business institution in collaborating with business partners, especially for collaborating with BPKP in the context of business diversification. The following picture is about the organizational structure of BPKP Cooperative. On this slide, I will explain the general activity of BPKP Cooperative. There are first sharing and loans business unit, a sharing and loans business where they manage sharing from member and lend back the sharing to cooperative member. Second, shop a business unit. The BPKP Cooperative opened a mini market business named OMI with the aim providing service to member by providing various needs. Third, other business unit. In addition to the sharing and loan business unit and shop, the BPKP Cooperative also carries out the business such as the Open Table, Photocopy, Travel, BPKP Batik, and Coraro Cafe. Now going to Fold of Work. Archiving outgoing letter that have been carried out by the BPKP Cooperative. The practitioner is asked to carry out filling activity for the outgoing BPKP Cooperative, where the filling that the practitioner does is still carried out manually by hand in a large book. The archiving activity itself has the aim of being able to assist in archiving outgoing letters, which have a function as a written communication medium and as evidence in writing. Practitioner can also see firsthand the content of the letter, where the letter contains an overview of what activity have been carried out or implemented by the BPKP Cooperative. Filling of outgoing mail is carried out for today. In carrying out the activity only requires outgoing document and ledgers. The output is in the form of an archive of outgoing ledgers in the ledgers. Studying the accountability report of the BPKP Cooperative. Practitioners are asked by the employee of the BPKP Cooperative to study the accountability report of the BPKP Cooperative, where the accountability report itself consists of various explanations regarding the history of cooperative, organizational structure, cooperative membership, financial report from 2016 until 2018, capital and business activity. The activity itself has a goal so that the practitioner can get to know more about the BPKP Cooperative. Carry out general ledger reconciliation activity in the operational cash account, ledger cash, and current account of BRI Bank with the general cash book. At this stage, the practitioner is asked to carry out reconciliation activity, where reconciliation is a process of matching data or recording that occurs in two different places. Here, the practitioner carries out reconciliation activity by matching the balance of the transaction ledger with the general cash book that has been made by the treasurer. Where in carrying out the reconciliation, the practitioner only needs to look for difference or mistake in a record that has been made by the treasurer. In looking for difference in this activity, the practitioner only needs to correctly which transaction have difference and give a check mark if the transactions are suitable. After that, the practitioner only needs to report to the treasurer about the difference. Here, the practitioner only carries out reconciliation activity in March and June 2020. After that, the practitioner will be asked by the accounting department to carry out reconciliation activity for ledger cash account, current account of BRI Bank account with the general cash book, and operating cash book in February, March, and June 2020. In this activity, the technical process is still the same as the previous one. The practitioner is only asked to match the transaction and give a check mark when there is a match for the transaction and give correctly to transactions that have difference. During its implementation, if you experience difficulties, the practitioner immediately asks about the obstacles faced and explain again about the text. In carrying out the reconciliation task, the practitioner does it either by work from office or by work from home. In carrying out the first reconciliation, the practitioner only needs general ledger and cash book that has been prepared by the small treasurer while in the second reconciliation activity, the practitioner requires ledger cash and BRI Bank current account, general cash book, and operational cash book. Copy a daily transaction to the small treasury ledger using Microsoft Excel. The practitioner is asked to do the activity of typing a daily transaction into the small treasury cash book, where these transactions are generally always carried out every day by the small treasurer manually, then transfers to Excel. In inputting the transaction, the small treasurer has prepared the format, so the practitioner only has to follow it. The recording activity has actually been carried out using a computer, but the small treasurer continues to record manually in order to avoid various kinds of unwanted obstacles such as loss of data. Therefore, backing up data is needed in this transaction. In carrying out this task, the practitioner only continues activity that have already been carried out by the small treasurer, where the practitioner only sees the cash book of the small treasurer, then It is transferred to an Excel format that has been prepared by the small tracer. Deliver important document to the saying and loans section and take important document to the chairman of the cooperative. Practitioners are asked to deliver important document that must be signed by the saying and loan section on the fourth floor in the name of Mrs. Anastasia Sumiati, where this document is a loan document from member of the cooperative who wants to borrow funds from the cooperative. In addition to delivering important document, practitioners are asked to the important cooperative document on the 10th floor of the head of the BPKP cooperative in the name of Mr. Edi Mulia. Make and record a summary list of loan collateral for cooperative member. In this activity, the practitioner is asked to make a summary list of loan collateral for cooperative member into Excel. Where in carrying out this task, the practitioner only enter the name of the cooperative member and provide in information column whether the loan has been taken or not and provide the date of withdrawal of member loan. In the process, the large tracer has prepared the date manually and the practitioner only needs to enter the date into Excel. In performing this task, the practitioner is given a list of cooperative member loan collateral that is written directly by the large tracer, and the practitioner only copies the collateral list of cooperative member loan collateral into the Microsoft Excel application. Create and record a list of loan receivable. Practitioners were given to the task of making a list of loan receivable by the accounting department. In the process, it is still done manually by looking at the balance of accounting receivable through the smart application, which contains the accounting menu, member saving menu, member loan menu, customer service menu, and cash receipt and disbursement menu. In making a list of loan receivable, the practitioner only focus on two types of loans, namely regular loans and long-term loans in 2019. To see the loans balance, the practitioner only needs to access the smart application by looking into the accounting menu and then selection the large section and select the unit of work on the year to view the balance. When the loan balance is in, the practitioner only has to move the balance into the working paper profile, and the practitioner calculates the overall total of regular loans, long-term loans, and even calculates the total of the two loans. Make a recapitulation of the BPKP cooperative interest income balance from 2016 until 2018. Practitioners were given the text of recapitulation the BPKP cooperative interest income balance starting from 2016 until 2018. Where the process used the Microsoft Excel application with a reference in the form of a ledger per work unit. Classify the income balance according to income and work unit. This income consists of loan interest income, motorcycle loan interest income, other interest income, computer interest income, and cell phone interest income. The work units are divided into 12, namely the main secretariat, inspectorate, push infowas, push diklat, push bin GFA, deputy for Polsoskam, deputy for PKD, deputy for state accountants, puslit bangwas, investigation, economy, and cooperative. The purpose of making a balance summary is to provide information which will later be submitted to the RIT or annual budget meeting. In this activity, the practitioner is given various transactions regarding interest income, which consists of loan interest income, motorcycle loan interest income, other interest income, computer interest income, and cell phone interest income, which are divided into 12 work units. After that, the practitioner is assigned to create an Excel format according to the interest income with 12 work unit and enter the total income by year. Assisting the frontliner in serving member of the BPKP cooperative. Practitioners were asked by the accounting department to serve cooperative member who come to the BPKP cooperative. Practitioners were asked to serve member because some of the cooperative employees were work from home. This activity aims to make the practitioner feel firsthand what it feels like to serve cooperative member. In serving cooperative member, practitioner use the smart application to provide various information about voluntary saving balance and mandatory saving from as member of the cooperative who come to the employee cooperative and prepare proof of expenditure if member want to withdraw the voluntary saving and prepare proof of income if there are member who want to add balance mandatory saving as well as voluntary saving. This is the problem faced during internship are first at the beginning of start the field work practice activity. The practitioner experience problems in communicate with the BPKP cooperative employees, where the practitioner still feels embraced in asking what tasks will the practitioner do later during the implementation of the field work practice. Second, the practitioner has difficulty working on reconciliation because of the lack of structures of the practitioner, so that he likes to rush in collection the assessment. The practitioner has difficulty operating the smart application because in the application there are a lot of menu that the practitioner is not familiar. The to solve the problem are first the practitioner must be more active in asking about activity or work, especially later that will be done, and the practitioner must also be able to adapt to the work environment in order to make it easier for the practitioner to interact with employees. Second, in working on reconciliation, the practitioner tries to always focus on every transaction, whether the transaction appropriate or still has difference. But here the practitioner is often not careful in carrying out reconciliation activity. As a result, there are several transactions that are often missed, and that is what makes the practitioner often late in collecting the work. Therefore, the practitioner must always strive to continue to improve the quality of work. In improving the quality of work, the practitioner must increase the punctuality of work and must always focus and understand more about the assigned tasks and always double check whether the work that has been done is correct or still has errors. Third, the BPKP cooperative has an application called Smart, where the application is very easy for employees to carry out their duties. Practitioner as things application to help frontliners in checking installment and the amount of saving of each member of the cooperative, and overcoming the problem of operating the application. The practitioner is required to always record what has been explained by the employees or supervisor regarding the application, and always active in asking cooperative employees if they experience obstacles in operating the application. The next in the conclusion, by implementing the internship program, we can develop skill and ethics from a job and get the opportunity to apply existing knowledge and skill with the educational curriculum. During the implementation presentation, the practitioner get a lot of a new experience that the practitioner has never felt before. This is the suggestion. First, for students, later when they want to carry out fieldwork practice, they must better prepare everything related to fieldwork practice, where students must consult more frequently with lecture about the place they want to go and deepen their knowledge in accordance with their field of work later in the destination. Second, for cooperative, BBKP cooperative should provide more work to the practitioner so that the knowledge obtained by the practitioner can be more extensive about the cooperative activity, and the BBKP cooperative should teach more about applications that are commonly used to find out various savings from members to do it. For Faculty of Economy, the Faculty of Economy should collaborate with several companies in order to make it easier for students to carry out practical fieldwork activity. The Faculty of Economy should also provide more direction to students regarding the implementation of fieldwork practice so that students do not experience confusion about this activity. That's all about my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention.